Hello guys, this is Nick. In this video, I'll show you how to record Windows skin for free. Skin we need a software called Windows Expression Encoder. We need to download it from Microsoft Download Center. I'll put the link in the description. You can download it from here. After you go to the site, you'll find a big red button. Before download it, select language you prefer. I prefer English. System requirement Windows 7 or above. 1 GB of RAM. .NET framework. You can see it here for system requirement you need. Most of all, Windows resolution is important, and bit color 1024 into 768 or higher resolution must be needed. Otherwise, you can't run this software in your system. Now download the software. And 24 megabytes software. You can download in a minute. After download finish, we'll need to install as other software we install in our system. You see it's almost installing 24.7 megabytes.
After installing Microsoft Expression Encoder, you need to open Microsoft Encoder Simulator. Here you can see two of these. One is editor, video editor, will show you the later. Now open Microsoft Skin Recorder. See Microsoft Recorder. I got the previous step. Just delete. Before recording, you need to set up some setting for the screen. Frame rate, select 30. Bit rate, at much bit rate is the best for the video quality. I will select 30,000 or 50,000. Quality 100. Microsoft cursor you like to record Microsoft. If you would like to record mouse cursor, select yes. And for the mouse cursor, if you make tutorial video, then use the checkbox. If you would like to set up camera, just set up it audio. Audio driver. Okay. Select all checkbox. Enable toolbar to flashing. Now we are ready for recording the screen. the screen recorder output. Microphone is on, webcam is off. Now click the record button. You can record full screen or selected screen as you like. This is the selected screen. You can select this option or any option you want to record. I would like to record this portion. Selected. Click the record button. Now it's recording the screen. We will see the countdown button in a moment. Now recording is started. When recording is started, you will hear a beep. Now, Walter cricket warm-up match is going on. West Indies versus New Zealand. One up wicket down. Wow, two out. 36 for of 22 balls. This 6 for boundary. Anyway, on the recording. I need to stop the recording now. Control Shift F12 to stop recording. You can manually stop the recording. Now screen recording is finished. If you want to edit something, you can send it to the encoder. Which is encoder, Microsoft Expression encoder will also install with Microsoft encoder screen capture. If you would like to delete some portion, click split. If you would like to delete this, just remove it. Delete it. Like to delete this part, click, select, remove click. Or this way. Anyway. After editing unit encoded. Processing some time. Encoding finish. Play. Thank you for watching the video. If you like this tutorial, please like and subscribe.